Today we're going to talk about the new trend called cowboy cooking. Now, I'm not talking about the type of cooking you might do at an OSU tailgate party right before a football game. Cowboy cooking involves making a meal simply with as little equipment as possible, and possibly even without a kitchen. Think about biscuits, cobbler, beans, and meat. It also can be a one-pot cooking or just using a grate over a grill or even a fire, a Dutch oven, or even a cast iron skillet. Cowboy cooking involves just simple ingredients, but getting kind of creative, such as with a smoky flavor, using that grilled flavor in whatever dish you're making. Most of the time, staples such as flour, sugar, onions, and celery, steak meat, and potatoes can be used in cowboy cooking. It's believed that the chuck wagon was a way to help get good help back in the Civil War when you needed a cowboy to help drive cattle back in the Old West. If you fed them well, then they would stay and do the job. We're seeing this trend because it's a way to slow down and do things by hand as well as do things simply. For more information about the food industry, download our app at fapc.biz or go to sunup at okstate.edu.